Hey beauties, today, we're going to create a stunning fox makeup look. This makeup will highlight your eyes and give you a sharp, striking appearance. Let's get started. First, we'll apply a light foundation to even out the skin tone. We want to keep it natural, so use just enough to get a smooth finish. Then, we'll use concealer to brighten the under eye area and any other parts of the face we want to highlight. After applying concealer, set everything with a light dusting of powder to make sure it stays in place all day and doesn't crease. Next, we'll add some definition to the face by contouring. Apply a bit of contour under the cheekbones, along the jawline, and the sides of the nose. This will give your face a more defined and sculpted look. Now, let's move on to the eyes. We're going for that lifted, fox eye effect using warm brown tones. Start by applying a soft brown shade on the lids, blending it out toward the outer corners. Then, using a dark brown eyeshadow, create a soft, smudged eyeliner effect. We want the liner to be subtle, but still eye-catching and enhancing the lifted look. Let's not forget the lash. Apply mascara to give your lash length and volume. Full, long lashes are a must for this foxy eye look. Now, it's time to add some glow. Apply highlighter to the inner corners of the eyes and the tops of the cheekbones to make your face look fresh and radiant. Don't forget a little on the bridge of the nose and the cupid's bow for that extra shine. For the lips, we're going for a simple yet chic look with a matte nude lipstick. Since the focus is on the eyes, we're keeping the lips neutral but still stylish. And that's it! Our fox makeup look is complete. This makeup is perfect for accentuating your eyes and defining your features. If you love this look, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to leave your comments below. See you soon.